video we will see how we can check the pending email queue in CyberPanel web hosting panel. So to check this out, first of all we need to log into the CyberPanel account. So basically the CyberPanel hosting panel, and after the login into the panel you have to just scroll down a little bit to get the mail settings here. Basically there is various option and you have to click on the mail settings here, and after clicking on the mail settings you will find the option of mail queue. Okay, so in this section you can have the mail queue that is sent by the mail function that will log under this section. So let me just demonstrate an example. So right now this website is now on the CyberPanel account. So let me just forget the password here. So right now the forget password functionality is not working because the email is going under the queue and it's not delivering at the email. So I enter my email address and click on forget password. As you can see, it's showing that please check your email. So if I go to the mail queue of my server and just reload the page, you can see there is one more entry under this mail queue that is for the address of my email address. And if I click on view message, you will see the all the data, basically the actual image that needs to be sent to this particular email. So this is how we can check the mail queue on CyberPanel account. If you are having question, just let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you.